Welcome to Factory Verse. Today, I'll show you exactly how women's bras are made from start to finish. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
All materials are carefully received and inspected to ensure quality for every bra. Each lace, satin, and cotton panel is carefully inspected for perfection. Elastics and underwires are tested and sorted carefully for quality. Materials move precisely through our machines, ready for production. Foam sheets are prepared carefully for comfort and support in every bra. Each fabric roll is inspected to ensure the highest quality. All materials are organized carefully to ensure a smooth production flow. Materials flow seamlessly to the next stage of production. Every lace panel is checked closely for any imperfections. Foam and elastic are aligned precisely for maximum comfort. Steam pressing gently shapes the materials for precise molding. Every seam is inspected to ensure perfect alignment and balance. Each stitch is placed with precision for strength and durability. Reinforced straps provide lasting support and reliable strength. Each piece undergoes strength testing to ensure lasting performance. Final trimming ensures a clean, flawless finish. Each bra is carefully assembled and shaped for perfect fit. Each strap is carefully adjusted for perfect fit and comfort. Every bra is visually inspected to meet our high-quality standards. Each bra is hung and checked to maintain its perfect shape. Every seam and thread is perfected for flawless quality. Finished bras flow along the conveyor, ready for careful packaging. Robotic arms handle each bra carefully for perfect packaging. Each bra is labeled precisely with barcodes for tracking and distribution. Bras are stacked and sorted carefully to maintain their perfect shape.
Finished bras are loaded carefully for safe distribution worldwide. And that's how every bra is made, with care, precision, and quality from start to finish.
Subscribe now to see more behind-the-scenes factory tours and tutorials.